Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to show you how to do best first method using the Excel solver provided by the developer of this method, Professor Jafar Rezaei. So if you want to learn in detail about the optimization procedure in the method, then I suggest you to read this paper. There are a few more follow-up papers published by the professor, so I suggest you to have a look on that, on detailed estimation of the method. But what I'm going to show you is that how you calculate the priorities using this Excel solver. So the Excel solver is actually publicly available in the website besttorchmethod.com. So if you just Google with BWM Excel solver, then you will get this, and if you just click it, you can download from here. And I have already downloaded, so I'm going to open the one I have here. So here you see on the first sheet of the Excel solver, you have some detail about how it works and instructions on how to work with this Excel file. Okay, so I suggest that you read this, and here you will see also there is an example on how it works. Okay, so for instance, just to tell you briefly, you will normally have some criteria, and then you will have some alternatives, and when you have some criteria, you have to choose first the best one and then the worst one. Okay, and then you compare the best one to others. So for instance, best one is price, which is here, and then you compare it to others on a scale from 1 to 9, where 1 is same and 9 is better. Okay, we'll see the detail scale here. I think it's on the first sheet they mentioned, 1 is equal importance and 9 is absolutely more importance. Okay, so, and then you do the same for the worst part. First, you remember we selected the style is the worst criteria in this case. So now we have to compare others to the worst. Okay, so this part is a bit tricky. Okay, so here we are comparing how important are the other criteria compared to the worst one. Okay, and again here, like 1 means equal important, and the higher we go on a scale of 1 to 9 means more important, and 9 is absolute more important, as we have seen, right? So here you have to remember this. Again, I'm repeating, it's a bit tricky. How important is the other criteria? For instance, here the quality. How important is quality compared to style? So it is 4 times more important. How important is price compared to style? It is 8 times more important. And style, it will be always the equal importance because it is the same, right? And after that, it is rather easy in the format you see. So here these are the weights of the criteria, the optimized weights for the criteria, and here the KSI, this is the inconsistency ratio. Okay, and to solve for to get the weights while minimizing the KSI, what we have to do is we have to go to solver, and then you see the B28 cell. This is what we are minimizing, and by changing the weights here. Okay, and these are our constraints. Actually, there are some these cells B32, which is here, okay, somewhere here, and then B34 to 35 somewhere below down there. There are some functions. Okay, so if you want to know how this optimization really works, I suggest you to have a look on the functions as well, and also of course read the paper by Professor Jafar Rezaei. But for now, I'm not going to go through those details here. Maybe in another video I'll cover that. So for now, we'll just go for solve, and that's our results. So this is the solved results, and these are the weights we get, and this is our inconsistency ratio. Okay, and here you see that the price is actually the most important criteria, followed by quality, and then safety, and then comfort, and then style. Style is the least important one. But this is the example you already have. It's been given by the developer of this method. But today I'm going to show you one of my example from the very beginning, and with also how we designed the survey.